Benefits. They can be a bit of a minefield and, to be honest, a massive pain in your arse. You can be creating benefit maps or looking for returns on investment. But for me, let's keep it sensible and usable. It's about recognising what you might need to give in order to get. We use the Everyday Change Benefit Stack. It spans your ambition as an organisation through to what your people want and need. It will help you make the change meaningful and more real. And if you still need a return on investment to take to the board, I'll tell you how to do that too. Benefits are really closely linked to the outcomes of your change. They are the things that make it meaningful, useful, and real. If you don't have any, you don't have a change worth fighting for. No benefits means your change isn't right. We operate 3 levels of benefits. We use big ambitions. These should be benefits of your change goal. They should be gregarious, full of adjectives. They should be wonderful to read. But you only ever want a couple because you may never achieve them. These are your lighthouses in the storm. You may never get to the lighthouse, but they're the catalyst and a driver behind what you do. If you can get close, anywhere near achieving a big ambition, you have done a smashing job. But you will also need to be prepared to leave them on the table in order to achieve more relative and sensible impacts. Sensible impacts to us are things that are really normal. It might be an improved outcome or increased sales. They're the things you would hope to achieve and you're likely to measure. They're probably aligned to your products, processes, or services. You'll be able to find them and map them in the other activities that we'll do over different modules. You only want a handful. They can be linked to your KPIs, but they should not be your KPIs. It's like knowing that the 1818 on a dartboard is better than a bullseye. This is what we want to focus on. These are your value creators. And then finally, we have you and I, the best benefits. They are the improvements and nudges that you and your people will see. Everybody should have one. It would be wonderful if everybody could have 2. These are how you know you are delivering for each person. Their benefit might be linked to the outcome, the change, the process, getting to spend more time with different people. It's 100% personal to them. You can do this anonymously, but I'd opt for building some trust and building that with your people, helping them identify and find the benefits in the change that will work for them. It will help to create early personal value for those affected by the change ahead. And this approach will enable you to measure what matters. The benefits across those 3 levels will help you call out and act as indicators as you need them, so you know whether you're winning, and they'll also give you a clue when you aren't. This will give you time and space to adjust course, change your mind or approach, but more importantly, it will give you a second chance to get it right. And for those of you who are still waiting for a return on investment, it's your financial investment divided by your financial return. More than 1, you're onto a winner. Less than 1, and you might need to have a long, hard chat about what happens next. On page 17, you have the model in more detail. You know the rules. I'd like you to spend 10 minutes and put pen to paper to see what you can start to create in terms of your own benefit stack. Use one of the blank thoughts pages and see what you can get to. Try and jot something down for each level. And of course, you can revisit it again later.